Did you know the execution of Russia's royal family went so wrong that bullets couldn't kill them? In 1918, Bolsheviks dragged Tsar Nicholas II and his family into a basement in Yekaterinburg. They were supposed to die quickly. Instead, the executioners fired dozens of bullets. But something impossible happened. The family kept moving. The bullets weren't penetrating. Unknown to the killers, the women had sewn jewels and diamonds into their clothing. The precious stones acted like body armor. Princess Anastasia survived the entire shooting. She was still breathing when the smoke cleared. The executioners had to finish her with bayonets, but the nightmare was just beginning. For hours, they tried to destroy the evidence. They attempted to burn the bodies. When that failed, they poured acid on the remains. The Soviet government claimed the bodies were completely destroyed. They lied. For 70 years, the royal family lay buried in 2 secret graves. DNA testing in the 1990s finally revealed the truth about their final horrific moments.